Hey guys, welcome back to Roshan's World. So guys, today's video we will be discussing about off-campus recruitment drive from LG Soft India. So we'll discuss complete details like the eligibility criteria, the job roles and responsibilities, and everything, the selection process and package. So let's discuss quickly. So the this job description is basically they are hiring for software engineers profile, wherein BTech BE from 2020 and 2021 batch pass outs can apply for this. This is basically a fresher's job they are, hiring for. And yeah, job role will be mainly into C++, Java or Python. So there are four languages they have been mentioned. So you have to be well versed with any one of the languages will also do, but you have to be, command over that language has to be very good. Then contract to hire. So they might have a contract. So later on they might have a full contract. The location would be Bangalore. Currently, it might be work from home job opportunity depending upon the situation. It can depend later on. So yeah, CTC is 4.8 LPA, which is a good, I think, which is a quite good package they are offering up to for especially for freshers. So yeah, do apply for it. And yes, eligibility criteria we talk about is BTech, BE, Computer Science, Information Science and IT, then Electrical, Electronics and Communications branch are eligible. So civil mechanical it is not mentioned, so they might not be eligible for it. So yeah, 2020 and 2021 pass outs are only eligible, especially it is mentioned here. Excellent communication skills, then minimum the percentages required is for all, like 10th, 12th, and graduation for every academic. You require a 60% of score. Then student with no active backlog. So active backlogs are especially not allowed. In case you did have backlog, you should have cleared it. Otherwise, no active backlogs allowed. Yeah, candidates should be well versed with languages to apply CC. As I already told you, any one of the languages well versed is good. Fine. Then a fair understanding of OS, example Linux, and good communication skills. Then next is your selection process. So selection process mainly depends three steps, three rounds. One is aptitude, online aptitude test. So that would be a basic aptitude test like your numeric, your logical reasoning, etc. And yeah, you will get a link on your this registered email ID to this particular domain. You can note down. And yeah, next round will be technical round. So technical round, there could be a possibility that there could be at least two coding questions. Try to solve at least one, which could be approximately, medium to higher, low to medium level questions. So try to at least solve one coding question so that the chances are a bit higher. And HR interview is next is HR interview. It's around through Skype. Okay. Then important guidelines, the online test would be registered candidates who meet the criteria. They will be, sent the online test. Otherwise, you will not be sent. Fine. The shortlisted candidates should be available. So this is on a urgent basis requirement. So you have to be like immediate joiners are preferable here. So do apply for it as soon as possible. Fine. You never know when the link gets expired. And yeah, register, how to register is a basic form, application form where you need to fill all your basic details, basic information, then your, percentages and CVPAs respectively. And yeah, any certify you are trained on any of the languages you have to mention. Then any backlog, yes, no. And immediate joiners, yes, they will be preferring over the preferring you if you if you can join immediately. Then if you can relocate, yes or no. So this is how you will fill the application form. Do apply, to share with your friends. I hope this was clearly explained. So in case you have any doubts, queries, do let me know in the comment section. And yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Hit the red color button so every video's important notifications you get to know. So till then guys, bye. Have a great day. Be safe. Take care. Bye.